Tired of cluttered spreadsheets with cells that look like a design disaster? Let's fix that and make your data sing with uniformity. Here's how to quickly make all your cells the same size in Excel, instantly boosting readability and professional appeal. First, you need to select all the cells in your worksheet. The easiest way to do this is to click this little triangle button right here in the top left corner, where the row numbers butt up against the column letters. This magically selects everything on your sheet. Now, let's adjust the row height. Hover your mouse over the line between any two row numbers in the leftmost column. Your cursor will change to a double-headed arrow. Click and drag this line downwards to increase the row height. As you drag, you'll see all the rows expand evenly to match your chosen height. See that? All your rows are now uniformly taller, creating a much cleaner look. Next, we'll tackle the column width. For perfect square-like cells, move your mouse to the line between any two column letters at the top of your sheet. Again, your cursor will transform into a double-headed arrow. Click and drag this line to the right to widen the column just like with the rows. This adjustment will apply to all columns simultaneously. And there you have it. All your cells are now the same size, making your spreadsheet significantly easier to read and much more visually appealing. It's a simple change that makes a huge difference in your data presentation. Happy spreading!